Good morning. Today we are going to see the problems under the subject EC8353 electron devices and circuit. In the previous class itself we have completed the 5 units. Now we are seeing about the problems under the subject. So the previous class we have seen the problems under the oscillators and the feedback amplifiers. Now we are going to see the another solved problem. A germanium diode carries a current of 1 milliampere at the room temperature when a forward bias of 0.15 volt is applied. Estimate the reverse saturation current at the room temperature. Germanium diode forward current at the room temperature means IF is equal to 1 milliampere. Forward bias of 0.15 volt they have given in the question. So Vf is equal to 0.15 volt and then ampere If is equal to 1 milliampere. So milliampere ngrappa 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere. So temperature find reverse saturation current find out பண்ணனும் அப்படினா நம்மளோட formula If is equal to I0 into e power Vf divided by eta into Vt minus 1. That is the diode current equation. So அதில் இருந்தால் நம்ம reverse saturation current find out பண்ணணும். If is equal to I0 e power Vf divided by eta into Vt minus 1. Questionல If கொடுத்துட்டாங்க and then I0 find out பண்ண போகிறோம் reverse saturation current. Vfும் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க forward கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Find out பண்ண வேண்டியது eta. etaங்கிறது efficiency equal to 1 for the germanium diode. So Vt ஓட value find out பண்ணணும். So thermal equivalent temperature Vt is equal to T divided by 11,600. So room temperature கொடுத்திருக்கிறதால 300. So 300 divided by 11,600 equal to 26 millivolt. So 26 millivolt அப்படிங்கிறப்ப 10 to the power of minus 3. So formula substitute பண்ணுறோம். IF questionல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 10 to the power of minus 3. So 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 equal to I0 into e power Vf questionல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 0.15 volt. So 0.15 divided by eta is 1 for germanium diode into Vt. Vt is thermal equivalent temperature which is 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So e power 0.15 divided by 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 1. So find out பண்ண வேண்டிய term வந்து I0. So e power 0.15 divided by 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 1. I0 ஓட வேல்யூ தான் find out பண்ணுறோம். So LHSல இருக்கிறத மல்டிப்ளை இருக்கிற டேர்ம் நீங்கள் ஆர்ஹெச்எஸ் மூவ் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா டிவைடட் பை. ஸோ I0 equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by e power 5.8 minus 1. So simplify பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த values e power 5.8 minus 1. So I0 is equal to 3.03 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Minus 6 is microampere. So reverse saturation current or the I0 is equal to 3.03 microampere. So questionல reverse saturation current find out பண்ணணும்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. First you are going to write the diode current equation. IF equal to I0 into e power Vf divided by eta into Vt minus 1. Thermal equivalent temperature 26 millivolt. Formula T divided by 11,600. Apply பண்ணுறோம். I0 ஓட value find out பண்ணும். Next, a 4.5 volt Zener is rated at 1.5 watt. What is the maximum safe current of the Zener? So 4.5 volt கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Zener Vz னு நோட் பண்ணுவோம். So Vz equal to 4.5 volt. And the power is power of the Zener means PZM. So maximum current find out பண்ண போகிறோம். Current is equal to power divided by voltage. So high Zm is equal to PZM divided by Vz. PZM ஓட value 1.5 divided by Vz ஓட value 4.5. So cancel பண்ணா 0.33 ampere. So this is the formula for calculating the safe current of the Zener diode. Next we are going to see the LED has a minimum drop of 1.5 volt and a maximum drop of 2.3 volt. If the supply voltage is 10 volt, R1 is equal to 470 ohm. What are the minimum and the maximum values of LED current? So diagram la கொடுத்திருக்காங்க Vs equal to 10 volt, Iங்கிற current flow ஆகுது. LED ஒரு symbol diagram, R1 is equal to 470 volt. So questionலயே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க Vd minimum and the maximum. Vd min is equal to 1.5 volt, Vd max equal to 2.3 volt. And then Vs equal to 10 volt, R1 equal to 470 ohm. So the maximum and minimum value of LED current find out பண்ணணும். So maximum value of the current formula Imax equal to Vs minus Vd minimum divided by R1. Current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So Vs source voltage minus Vd minimum divided by R1. Vs oda value 10. So 10 minus Vd minimum 1.5. 10 minus 1.5 divided by 470 ohm. So 470. Simplify panna 18.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 amp. Minus 3, 18.1 milliampere. So Imax find out பண்ணறதுக்கான formula Vs minus Vd minimum divided by R1. Next வந்து minimum value of the current. High minimum find out பண்ணணும். High minimum find out பண்ணுறதுக்கான formula Vs minus Vd max divided by R1. Vs 10 volt minus Vd maximum oda value 2.3. அப்போ 10 minus 2.3 divided by 470. So simplify பண்ணுறோம். உங்களோட answer 16.4 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere. 10 to the power minus 3 is milliampere. So 16.4 milliampere. So I maximum, I minimum. Voltage maximum minimum voltage கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Maximum and minimum current find out பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Next, another problem. In a common base connection, emitter current is 6.28 milliampere and the collector current is 6.20 milliampere. Determine the common base DC current gain. Common base DC current gain. DC current gain in case of common base means alpha. Alpha is equal to IC divided by IE. Questionலயே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க emitter current is 6.28 milliampere. So IE is 6.28 milliampere. And the collector current is 6.20 milliampere. So 6.20 divided by 6.28. Your answer is 0.987. Gain means the answer is ratio, right? So you are not having any unit. So common base DC current gain கேட்டாங்க. In the common base configuration is alpha. Alpha equal to IC divided by IE. Value substitute பண்றோம், answer find out பண்றோம். Next, determine the value of IB and IE for the circuit shown below. Here they have shown the circuit, right? IE emitter, beta value 170, IC equal to 80 milliampere and IE is equal to IC plus IB. So beta value 170, IC value 80 milliampere. So determine the value of IB and the IE. Emitter current and the base current you are going to calculate. Beta oda value கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So beta oda formula IC divided by IB. Beta oda value தெரியும், IC oda value தெரியும். So you can easily calculate the IB value. So formula change பண்ணிக்கிறோம். IB is equal to IC divided by beta. So IC oda value 80 milliamperes. So 80 divided by IB oda value 170. So in the 80 into 10 to the power of minus 3 milliampere, right? So formula find out பண்றோம். So IB is equal to 0.47 milliampere. Next IE oda value find out பண்ணணும். Emitter current is equal to base current plus collector current. So base current oda value find out பண்ணிருந்தோம் previous stepல 0.47 milliampere plus IC oda value questionல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 80. So 80 plus 0.47 which is 80.47 milliampere. So circuitல IC and beta value கொடுத்துட்டு IE and IB find out பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Beta ஓட formula is IC divided by IB. அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம IB value find out பண்றோம். And then IE is equal to IB plus IC. Next, another formula, another problem. A transistor has a beta is equal to 150. Calculate the approximate collector and the base current if the emitter current is 10 milliampere. So beta oda value 150 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, IE oda value 10 milliampere கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So if you are going to find out the collector and the base current, so IC is the collector current. So you know that alpha is equal to beta divided by beta plus 1. So 150, alpha and the beta are related by alpha is equal to beta divided by beta plus 1. Beta oda value question la கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 150. So 150 divided by 150 plus 1, which is equal to 0.993. Next you are going to calculate the IC value find out பண்ணணும் and then IE oda value find out பண்ணணும். So the common base current gain is alpha. So alpha oda value previous step la find out பண்ணியிருந்தோம், 0.993 is equal to IC divided by IE. questionலயே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க IE oda value 10 milliampere. So 10. So similarly previous problemல பார்த்த மாதிரி நமக்கு எந்த வேல்யூ தேவையோ ஃபார்முலாவை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஸோ 0.993 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to IC. So IC is equal to 9.93 milliampere. Next you are going to find out the IC find out பண்ணிட்டோம். Next you are going to calculate the IB. IC plus IB is equal to IE. Already previous problem பார்த்தோம். ஸோ நமக்கு அதில் இருந்து IB தான் தேவை. ஸோ IB is equal to IE minus ICன்னு ப்ராப்ளமை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம், ரைட்? ஃபார்முலாவை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஸோ IB is equal to 10 minus 9.93. ஸோ IB is equal to 0.07 milliampere. So alpha and the beta are related by alpha is equal to beta divided by beta plus 1 and then alpha is equal to IC divided by IE. Similarly IE is equal to IB plus IC. So base current and the collector current can be calculated. So you are going to say the formulas. Beta is equal to IC divided by IB. Similarly alpha is equal to beta divided by beta plus 1 and then IE is equal to IB plus IC. So first என்ன பார்த்தோம், diode current equation IF is equal to I naught into E power VF divided by eta into VT minus 1. So etaங்கிறது ஜெர்மானியம்னு கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா 1 substitute பண்ணிக்கலாம். Temperature equivalent temperature voltage, so VT is equal to T divided by 11,600 which is equal to 26 millivolt. அதை வச்சு reverse saturation current find out பண்ணலாம். Next maximum safe current formula is IZM equal to PZM divided by VZ. Next LED ஓட minimum maximum current find out பண்ணணும் for the given minimum maximum voltage. So I max equal to Vs minus Vd min divided by R1. Minimum value means Vs minus Vd max divided by R1. Next common base configuration. Common base DC current gain means alpha. Alpha equal to IC divided by IE. Next problem, they have given the beta value. You are going to calculate the IB and the IE. So beta equal to IC divided by IB. And then I emitter current formula is IE is equal to IB plus IC. Next we have seen about the alpha value. Beta and the alpha is related by alpha equal to beta divided by beta plus 1. And then alpha is equal to IC divided by IE. So that you are having the IB is equal to IE minus IC. So these are the formulas we have seen in this class.